Hi, I'm Amber Vitelli, joined by Louis Marcantonio, and we are NayaOne. With over 10,000 fintechs in the US, we're surrounded by vendors who will help you retain customers, reduce risk, reduce fraud. But it is so time-consuming and painful to go from meeting to work out if the vendor's suitable for you. This often takes 6 to 12 months. And who suffers as a result of this? First is your customers, because they can't get access to your new capabilities. And the second is you as a bank, because your competition is now taking your customers. At NayaOne, our North Star is to help enterprises discover and test vendors to find the right vendor for you. Last year, we spoke to over 100 banks, and today we're introducing the refined version of our marketplace. One of the common complaints we've heard time and time again is, how do you work out what a vendor actually does? How are they going to help your business? What is their business model? And the other is that many banks know the vendors that are in their ecosystem, but what they don't have is a forward-looking view of vendors that will help them future-proof their bank. Over the summer, we've worked with 20 community banks and credit unions to increase the capability of our marketplace and launch it as a standalone product called Compass, which we are so excited to show you today.
So let's say you're a bank looking to improve your mobile banking experience for your customers. With Compass, it all starts by browsing through specific banking outcomes. From reducing fraud to improving operational efficiency, each outcome represents a real challenge banks face today. Once you've chosen an outcome, like grow deposits, you'll be connected to a curated list of use cases that are relevant to that outcome, each one tied to vendors that can help you achieve it. With vendors, we know that one size doesn't fit all. So with Compass, you can easily refine your search with filters. So whether it's core compatibility that you're interested in, company maturity, or even the number of financial institutions that the vendors are working with. So this means you can quickly narrow down your search to find vendors that are perfect for your needs. Compass doesn't just give you names and logos. We also offer playbooks, which are from other banks, best practices on vendor implementation and real-world insights from those that have done it before. When you found a vendor that catches your eye, you can dive into their profile. You'll get an overview, which is far more than just a product and a description. You can see who they are and what makes them unique. Is this an established vendor used by hundreds of banks, or a new emerging fintech pushing the boundaries of innovation? You can see how they solve for specific use cases and how their technology actually works. Then, you can see what types of financial institutions they're already working with. You'll see if they specialize in working with community banks, credit unions, or larger institutions. This insight is crucial because it tells you if the vendor has experience with challenges with banks similar to yours. Are they used to handling the needs of a bank your size? Now you can dive into the vendor products. What are they offering, and how do these products help your bank? You'll find critical details, like implementation fees, so you'll know exactly what kind of investment is required up front. You'll also see business models of the products that they operate under, whether they're subscription-based, pay-per-use, hybrid approach. This information helps you understand not just what they offer, but how their solution will impact your bottom line over time. When looking at vendors, it's also about trust. So what we've built with Compass is vendor readiness. So this feature highlights whether the vendor has completed the due diligence necessary to work with banks, including certifications like SOC 2, cybersecurity measures, or compliance with key financial regulations. What makes the platform even more powerful is that it's not just a static profile. As you're exploring, you can save vendors to your dashboard for future reference. You can follow their progress and their updates. And when it's time to make a decision, you can compare vendors directly side by side. You'll be able to instantly contrast their offerings, business models, and due diligence status. It's vendor discovery that empowers you to make the right choice confidently and efficiently. So Compass doesn't just bring you the vendors you already know and trust, though they're certainly on here. We also give you access to emerging fintechs, something that might just give your bank that competitive edge.
Compass is a forward-looking marketplace. It is free to sign up, so you can sign up at compass.nayaone.com, or you can head over to our booth and we can get you signed up. Thank you.